Hey y'all, here's something that you probably already knew, but somebody else didn't. Let's get started on these kitchen bags. Y'all know how you open the box, get a bag out, and you see, hold up, this is inside out. You open it up, the smooth part that's supposed to be on the outside is on the inside. It don't make any sense, right? Well, check this out, y'all. Leave that thing inside out, okay? Put that thing on top of the trash can, like so, like that, like Miss Tabitha say. Make sure it's nice and snug. Leave a corner open because what you're going to do next is push all that air out. You can start trying to close it back up once you feel like all the air is out because you don't want it to be poofy when you start putting stuff in there. And that's it. That's all you got to do right there. Now, me being the extra person that I am, sometimes I will go ahead and poke a few holes at the top because I'm not satisfied with how the air came out. You know, the bag didn't deflate enough for me. So I'll do that. Sometimes I'll drop something in there with a little weight so it could deflate faster. You don't have to do that because once you put trash in there, it'll do it by itself. Trust me. Like I said, that's just me being extra. But let's move on to the next tip, y'all. It's the Band-Aids. The ones that never stay on your finger when you got a cut at the top of your finger and you put a Band-Aid on, you're doing chores, and that thing keeps falling off. Well, check this out. Get a Band-Aid, cut the sides, just the sides, to where you can make flaps like that. What we're trying to do with the flaps in the back is make an X. So, you can start off by putting a Band-Aid on, take the bottom tab or flap, go up with it, up and across, take the top one, go down and across to make an X, and then repeat the process. That didn't happen in the video because that was a malfunction, but it still ended up working out anyways. It went across and made an X, but y'all get the point. And bam, nice and sealed, and that Band-Aid ain't going nowhere. Let's move on to the next one. Your battery stopped working in your remote and you need a temporary fix. This is the first thing you could do right here. Get your batteries, rub them together really hard, lots of friction. Do that for a couple seconds, maybe a minute or so, and that should do the trick. Next up, if you need AA batteries and you don't have any more, get you some AAA batteries and a piece of foil. Push the foil in first, then put your AAA battery in, and you're good. That's not what's pictured here. This is just an example for you to get a visual. But the next thing to do, if you don't have any of that stuff, just get your batteries, do it the old school way, rub your hands together till you get enough friction till it starts feeling warm, and pop the batteries back in. There's your last temporary fix. That's it for this video, but if y'all got any other ideas, let me know in the comments. I'll use your idea in the next video, tag you, and give you a shout out. Thank y'all.